When one looks at grasses in the summer, yeah, they're glorious, they're green, they don't have any plume, but just look along here at the effect that grasses have. If I just back up a bit, you'll see we've got Gora with its red tips, we've got Hydrangea Annabelle, and then if you just walk along, you think to yourself, well, hang on, if you can't achieve a better show than that in winter, you're failing miserably, and grasses can do that. These ones are morning light, these big ones, but they've got a back cloth of yew hedging, and they just, look at them just waving in the wind. Breeze, breeze, breeze. For more inspiration on gardening, all you got to do is go to World Radio Gardening, and we'll help you with your garden, whatever it is. Why not? Send us in a problem that you'd like sorted, or send us in a suggestion that you'd like more of on World Radio Gardening. Post at worldradiogardening.com.